Hello, in this video I'll introduce to you a brand new original knit that is highly elastic, embossed, attractive, and elegant. 2 rows and 3 loops make up the pattern. The sample has a multiple of 3 stitches, plus 1 for symmetry and 2 edge loops. We start from the right side. Row 1 right side, after the edge stitch. Purl the divider loop. Make a yarn over loop, knit 2 together through the back, and make a yarn over loop again. Repeat. Purl 1, yarn over, knit 2 together, yarn over. Keep going in this manner till the end of the row. Row 2 wrong side, after the edge stitch. Knit the divider loop. Move the thread to the front, grab the 2 yarn over loops with the right hook, and purl them together. Then purl the middle loop. Again. Knit 1, purl 2 together. Purl 1. Keep going in this manner till the end of the row. I have presented you with a very elegant and unique elastic knit with a beautiful relief and texture in only 2 rows. It will decorate any garment knitted with it. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate you all being here. If you enjoy the video, please click the like button. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to watch all of my videos. I wish you inspiration, knit joyfully and with affection. See you soon.